day. Today I'm going to show you how to access an Azure DB using PHP. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to assume that you have basic knowledge of WebMatrix and the Azure DB and its creation and integration. So first, log into your database. So I'm going to use our uh, website database, the recipe mashup. Our username is recipe mashup and password cool kids. Basically, to access this is just open your DB from your Azure, then click manage. It's connecting. So in our table, we have one table name called recipes, and uh, let's try editing it. So as you can see, we have multiple columns such as ID, recipe name, blah blah blah, etc. And our data is in here. So if we're going to try accessing this specific row, we can do it in PHP like this. So let's create a new file called php page3.php. So basically, let's just output the first row. So how are we going to? Of course, we're going to use PHP. So do that. Then this should be all access to DB should be enclosed in a try catch statement. So let's first go the try. Then in the host, let's specify the host. That's TCP. Uh, how to get the host is by going through your SQL database. So for us, it's recipe mashup, and you can look somewhere here. It's the server name. Just copy it, then paste it on the host. Then uh, yeah, then put the user, which is recipe mashup, and put this server name here. Then put the password, which is coolkids. Then the DB name, which is recipe mashup. Then we define the connection by defining the new PDO, just like this. Define the DV. Then uh, the user, the password. Easy. So let's put an extra attribute here. Okay, now that we have defined the connection, let's now define the SQL statement that you want. So as I said a while ago, we want to select the first row. So basically, it should output pork binagoongan, pork student bagoong, 10 minutes, 60 minutes, etc. So how are we going to select everything from recipes where ID is equals to 1. And then let's put this in a statement by querying the connection with the specified SQL statement. Easy. Now let's get whatever has the query get gotten from the DB by putting it in a row. Let's call it row. Then equals to statement. Then fetch the data. So let's echo what the row is. So as you can see, each number in the bracket here represents the column. So this will output ID, the recipe name, and the recipe description. Then we're going to set the connection to null, terminate it, then catch an exception. Just anything here. So yeah, let's try this. It's saving the remote file. So now that it's saved, let's try opening it. So as you can see, it outputted the one pork binagoongan and its description, which is pork stewed in bagoong sauce. So here, like that. So let's try the number two, the second row. Just replace it with here. Now, this is the good thing with WebMatrix. You can easily publish your website in seconds. Just wait for it to save. And you can basically access it there. So that's all. Yeah, you have the power to modify the SQL statements. You can put custom ones, but that's basically the idea of how to access the SQL database, the Azure SQL database in PHP. So thank you for listening.